Since introducing the first pre-insulated tubing in 1962, Dekoron Unitherm has focused on one business: tubing bundles. This concentration on a single product line has helped Dekoron Unitherm to set standards of excellence in the tubing bundle industry. Our dedicated manufacturing facility, located in Cape Coral, Florida, enables us to meet the demands of the hydrocarbon processing, chemical, and power industries. Our broad product offering includes pre-insulated tubing for glycol or steam systems, steam trace tubing for protection against freezing utilizing steam or glycol as the heating medium. Our electric trace tubing bundles are used in instrument lines, small diameter process lines, and impulse lines. Dekoron Unitherm also provides specially designed heated sample lines and probe support bundles used in air pollution monitoring and control systems. Chapter 3. In this chapter, we'll cover the following topics: removing the product from the reel, preparing to bend, unsupported manual bends, supported manual bends, mechanical bending tools, forming for instruments, tight bends, and bending in multiple planes. Removing the product from the reel. Most bundles will take a set while on the reel. This set may make it difficult to install the bundle. Removing the set is easy. Put the reel with the bundle on a reel stand, pulling the bundle off from the bottom of the reel. Place another reel stand with an empty reel a short distance, no more than 10 feet, from the first. Pull the bundle off the reel over the empty reel. This removes the set. Bend radius. It's important to determine the minimum bend radius prior to performing the bend. The bend radius is determined by looking at both the outside diameter and the jacket material. Some guidelines to follow are: for TPE, FRPE, 13 times the diameter. For low temperature PVC, 6 times the diameter. And for urethane, 5 times the diameter. Unsupported manual bends. Plastic tube and some metal tube bundles are easily formed by hand. First, secure the bundle 12 to 18 inches from entrance to bend. Then form a smooth bend at or above the minimum bending radius. And finally, secure the bundle 12 to 18 inches from the exit of the bend. Supported manual bends. Often more rigid bundles require tools to assist in the bending process. Various objects can be utilized to perform this task. These tools include a bending shoe, cable reels, or an existing cable tray. Install enough bundle to go to the end. Then form a smooth bend around the form. Secure the bundle 12 to 18 inches from entrance to bend. Adjust the bend to align with the tray or rack. Then secure the bundle 12 to 18 inches from the exit of the bend. Some installed bends may require additional support. Mechanical bending tools. Mechanical bending tools are used for large diameter or rigid tube bundles. Using a conduit bender. Choose the correct conduit bender based on the bundle diameter. If a larger bend radius is required, the conduit bender can be used to make multiple smaller bends. Finish the bend at the proper angle. Secure the bundle 12 to 18 inches from the entrance and exit of the bend. Using Dekoron Unitherm's bundle bender. The bundle bender can be used in any orientation. It can bend bundles in a vertical plane, horizontal plane, or anywhere in between. No external power is required. Read and follow all safety instructions when using this or any tool. Forming tubing for instrumentation. Begin by stripping back 12 to 16 inches of the jacket and insulation. Next, unwind the cabled tubes. Spread the tubes by hand. Using the tubing bender, shape the tubes to the correct centerline distance. Proceed to cut and ream the tubing for compression fittings. Seal the bundle as outlined in Chapter 1. Tight bends. This procedure covers the situations where tight 90-degree bends are required. This method can be used for single or multiple tube bundles. Begin by measuring the center point of the bend. Strip the jacket and insulation for 6 to 8 inches to allow for bending. Perform the bend using the tubing bender. Finally, insulate back to the original diameter and seal the bundle using the seal patch kit or the EPDM tape seal kit. Tight bends with steam trace tubing. Measure the center point of the bend. Strip the jacket and insulation for about 10 to 12 inches. Perform the bend using a tubing bender. Ensure the tubes are not kinked. Insulate the bundle back up to the original diameter. Finally, seal the bundle as shown using the seal patch kit or the EPDM tape seal kit. Tight bends with electric trace tubing. First, measure the center point of the bend. Strip the jacket and insulation from 10 to 12 inches on either side of the center point. Take extra care not to damage the heat tracing when cutting off the jacket and insulation. Next, perform the bend using the tubing bender. Ensure the tubes are not kinked. Route the heater around the tubes to get the best contact. Apply aluminum mylar tape over the heat tracing and tubing. Secure the heater tubes using fiberglass or silicone tape. Insulate and seal the bundle using the seal patch kit or the EPDM tape seal kit. Bends in multiple planes. The unique cabled construction of Dekoron Unitherm bundles allows for multiple plane bends with ease. Follow the standard bending practices to perform these bends. Secure the bundles as required. As in all installations, all local plant and regulatory codes must be followed. In addition, plant safety policies must be strictly adhered to. This training chapter is only an overview of the common applications. Please contact Dekoron Unitherm for detailed product information specific to your application.